Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable microphone on your HUAWEI MateBook 16s. So to do this, first let's open the start, then move to the settings. Right here find the sound settings, and there should be right here sound. Now we can move on to the microphone, it's right here. To mute it, you can change the volume all the way down like this, and now it should be muted. You can also go for the input devices. Actually, let's not do that. Now we can scroll down. All sound devices, and here's a microphone array, and you can mute it here as well. And there should be a way to click on don't allow, and that way you'll stop all the audio from it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.